Pass.
No, it's not GG's yet.
Drop a turn.
I get to equip this for free.
Nice. Took my tactic. No, I'm kidding.
Is that good to start with that?
Yeah, it's not bad. 5 lead?
Shit, I was about to say. Leader ability.
Yeah, no, you can't lead her because of that.
5, I would take.
Pass.
Shoot. Drop a turn.
Uh-huh.
5 lead.
Lead ability.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Alright.
Oh, I cast single combat only. So I can't shoot that.
And then I'll on up.
I didn't know I played this card. I just saw it. I kept this. So I'm like, okay.
Give me a second to think.
No, it dies. What are you talking about? Well, we'll swing 6 lead.
I will.
Yeah, what are you resting? That's the question.
I see James who's watching on the game from a distance. And when something happens, he's like,
Arrest the leader.
Okay.
And 6, right?
Yep. Pass.
that's basically half. So that's like a third. I'm just saying, that's like a third. You got the 48. Right here.
See that?
Huh?
Nothing. I dropped the card by accident.
Oh, I didn't see that. 6 lead.
No trigger. Oh, nice.
Freeze the spongy.
Okay. Cards in there?
5.
Uh, 6 lead?
Arrest your leader.
That. Oh, 8 lead?
I'm getting that so I can get that.
That was risky.
No, pass.
No, I didn't.
I had 2 dogs Takamaki.
Cards in hand.
6.
I got some zeros and some guys.
I think you had like a 20 like a 1 drop.
Yeah, they were AP draw.
Yeah, but you see it. I know they're going right now, so bringing back red Tigers.
5 Sanji.
5 Sanji. Sanji dies, I draw.
I wouldn't worry about that any more specials. Like,
Ooh, nice.
Must work. So I rest 5.
And then restand 2.
two. 6 lead. Freeze the Luffy.
2K. Sheesh.
Freeze the Mako. Plus.
Why is it that I can't see more than 1 character more than he does? Cards in them?
6.
Okay.
Oh, and a restand.
No, yeah, you're good. 6 carrot.
6 at carries.
Bing, bing.
Rest the nami.
Okay. Cards in?
5.
Well, -3 active carry, -2 arrested carry. Well, yeah, we'll KO that. Then I will pass.
You know what helped me? Putting the 15-1 early. And I had a
Nice.
What's it get?
Top 5 supernova. You can also search herself as well.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah, she can get herself a supernova only. So
So I can get this guy?
yeah.
This one doesn't have. Oh, I think I was gonna have 4 originally, but then I switched them out for the DPA for 2, and I just bought 2 copies. I don't think we're going to buy it. One, and I'm about to at least I got for Teamer Battle. Creature gains double strike. That's what I did with I'm on to the EX. 2 hours I what happened yesterday? My plan was I was going to skip Saturday so I could go to the Saturday and I
I go 6 to leader and then restand. Right? 6 to leader, restand 2.
It's okay.
Okay, so after combat, trigger on this.
Six to leader.
No, that's -2. It's a 4. Yeah, I need another guy. I can't reach it.
Is that 4, right?
It's a 4, yeah.
I guess for the nami.
Okay.
Raise the goofy.
But then even if I got rid of that, then it's an issue. Damn, Jackson! And then I was going to cast which is give all dragons. What would I draw?
This guy don't flicker.
6 to leader.
No trigger. You can just you're arrested.
Like play something over, right?
Okay.
I guess so.
I restart.
Cards in?
4.
4. Alright. Yeah, 4.
Yo, what's that guy's name? The one that switches decks?
12 to 7.
E, right?
I will.
That's the money.
Yeah.
rest the right
They
leg.
do that shit at Digimon, they do that shit at Pokemon, they do that there. Because it's one round. I don't think I'm ever going to use it. But I'm glad. Why get the fuck out of here.
This one, right? Over this.
Oh yeah, 100%. And then I will pass.
You don't want to swing anything else?
I can't.
Oh yeah, sure.
It's a 7.
But I be damned, but they have 2 swords. They have 2 swords and another one.
They just greedy.
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry for you, Savior.
I'm gonna play Shanks.
Top deck there.
Ah, damn.
6 to lead. Restand 2.
I'll lead ability, give you 1K.
I played
The brothers.
I don't really want to practice to be confident on systems. Like I literally did it for the grand battle and that was it.
6 to leader. Freeze the Luffy.
No trigger.
That's how I got it. This shit is crazy.
Like I missed the music.
Did you leader ability yet? No.
I did.
You did? 5 to leader.
Hopefully, you said you were going to buy it.
Nine to a like.
It's okay. You play another card?
Yo, there's so
Your
much-
board is fine. You don't need to play another card. That's another thing. You don't want to overboard it.
Yeah,
Just
I
say,
just
yeah,
realized. You're right.
yeah, that's a better idea. Draw. Cards in there? 4.
That's just so bigger. I messed up. Oh, and restand for the.
12 to 7.
Everything on board. This was gonna remove the.
I assume you're gonna rest this.
Yeah, I'll rest that.
Yeah.
12 to 7.
Yep.
Right?
Pass.
Go watch now.
Drop the turn. Six to lead. Freeze the Luffy. Oh wait, actually that should have been 5.
Oh yeah.
You want to undo that?
Yeah, you're
Well,
right.
actually, we can attach dot, so make it.
All right. I still count
I
that.
would do 6. Yeah.
What happened?
Each one round one.
Oh.
against Bonney's like rush.
Maybe the teach just saw back-to-back black holes or something. Or liberation, I don't know if he's running that.
That's just how I right now I have 4 and 5. Unfortunately, that's 6. This talking about like only this would be that
16 to Shanks.
Lead ability to make it 15.
I see what you're doing. And also makes doggy the less threatening piece.
Actually, no. Yeah, kind of that lead ability, trash 16.
This man is playing with world stuff.
That's so cool. Wow, that's so cool. I love that.
Have they been labeled or no? Remember that one guy? He labeled all 10 Dawn last year, and then he plays with that, but he has them all like PSA. I'm just like, what? That's so weird. Yeah, it's like heavy. I'm like, how are you running Dawn?
No cards in hand.
No cards, yeah.
5 to leader.
There's no progress.
No trigger.
7 to leader.
No trigger.
10 to leader.
Double divine.
Oh shoot!
Damn, how is it that he sees everything,
I actually-
but I didn't see nothing?
This
Literally.
actually saved my ass.
Not that, the second carrot screwed me over
Oh,
too.
the second
I
carrot.
never see 2 carrots any time I play against matches. I'm just like, wow.
No. There's so much thinking. There's so much
Boy.
thinking. This and that.